This is Austin, Texas, a city built on creativity, collaboration, and a strong sense of community with a skyline worth exploring. A place where technology feels open, approachable, and deeply human. On May 15th, 2026, for the third year in a row, the cloud-native community comes together at KCD Texas in Austin. This is a community-driven gathering backed by the CNCF, created by people who build, operate, and contribute to open source every day. No barriers, no formality, just shared knowledge and real conversations. You'll meet local open source leaders, Kubernetes practitioners, platform engineers, SREs, and contributors shaping the cloud-native ecosystem across Texas and the Southwest. We invite companies to participate by bringing their engineers, learning from the community, and contributing back to the ecosystem they rely on every day. We welcome enthusiasts who are eager to learn, connect, and grow. And we invite speakers to step forward, share their stories, and become part of the ongoing history of KCD Texas. And this is Austin, so expect great Texas-style barbecue, tacos, and welcoming vibes in an atmosphere where connections feel natural and authentic. KCD Texas is about learning together, building trust, and strengthening the community that powers modern infrastructure. Join us for a full day of technology, connection, and community.